Hi guys, today we are going to look at how to solve a linear equation with a variable on both sides. We are still applying our techniques and the properties of solving equation. Question number 1. 6x is equal to x plus 30. What we have to do, we have x here on the left hand side and x here on the right hand side. We have to bring them together. Normally I tell my students to always take the smaller number to a bigger number. That makes it much easier to avoid a negative in case it's gonna occur. So here x, there is 1 in front, but we don't write it. So if you're gonna be confused, you can put a 1 in front, if that will make it easier for you. So we want to make here 0, because we want to take it over here. So here have to be 0. So we subtract 1x. And we have to repeat the same thing on the left hand side. Now 6x minus 1x is like 6 orange minus 1 orange will be 5 oranges. Here a 0 is gone. You write your 30. Realize it's multiplying. So we divide by 5, and here we divide by 5. And our x is 6. We are done. Example 2, we have 20 plus 9x equals to 10x plus 20 plus x. There's x here on the same side, and 1 over here. Okay, we are going to collect the like terms. But before that, we realize that there is 10x here and there is x here. Remember, there is 1x here. So we have to combine them before we move forward. So let's rewrite the left hand side. Nothing is going to change. There are like terms on the same side. So let's put it together. There's 1 here. So we bring it closer. So 10x plus x give us 11x. Okay, as I said, we have 9 here and we have 11 here. So we want to get rid of, we want to get rid of this one. We want to take it over here. We are taking a smaller to the bigger. So we are making here negative, and we will do the same thing here. So we will write it. We got 20. And here 11 minus 9 will give us 3 plus 20. Now we have 20 here, we have 20 here. So we need to bring it over here. So we want to make here 0, so we subtract. And we have to do the same thing here. 20 minus 20 give us 0. We got 3x. Here we divide and we divide. 0 divided by 3 is 0. And here we have x, so x is equals to 0. Okay. So this is not a 0 solution, but indeed here the x is equals to 0. 0 is a whole number, so the answer is 0. Okay, let's look at question number 3. Realize that there is a parenthesis or a bracket involved, so we have to distribute. Remember our previous video? So we are going to distribute. We will rewrite this, so nothing is changing here. We are multiplying 2 times x, that gives us 2x. And 2 times -6, that gives us -12. Here we have 15 and we have -12 here. So they are of the same class, so we have to bring them closer. -15 minus 12 give us 3. Now we have 2x here, we have 10x here. We are going to take the 2x over to the 10x. Is a smaller, so we are taking a smaller to the bigger. So we subtract here and we repeat the same thing here. If we do that, we're going to 10 minus 2x will give us 8x. This is gone, got 3. Now we have to take the -37 over here because they are of the same class, so we will add here 37 and we will add here 37. It's no more. We got our 8x is equals to 40. And we will bring it over here. We got our 8x is equals to 40. We divide one number times 8 will give us 40. And basically we are dividing because it's multiplying. And 40 divided by 8 is 5. That's it, we are done. Alright guys, let's look at our last question. Here there is a parenthesis or a bracket involved, so we need to expand or we need to distribute that. So let's do that first. That's the first thing that we have to do. So we are multiplying 2 by x, that will give us 2x. And then 2 by -4, that will give us -8. Realize that there's a number here, there's a number here on the same side, so let's bring them closer. Whatever is in front of you belongs to you, so that's the reason why the -8 came over here. So 32 minus 8 give us 24. We are taking the 2x over to the 5x, so we subtract and we subtract. We got 24. This is gone. 3x minus 45. We are bringing the 45 over on this side, so we will add 45 and we'll add 45 here. 69 We get 3x here. So 69, 3x, divide both sides by 3, got 23. And if you want, you can write the x first. It's equals to 23. Then please subscribe, like the video, and see you next time.